BWOne here from BWOne.com, and we're going to do a walkthrough of the Amazon Kindle Fire user interface. Even though the Kindle Fire runs Android 2.3 Gingerbread, it has a heavily customized user interface here on top of it. It looks nothing looks nothing like any of the Android tablet that you see out there, especially ones that are based off of Android 2.3. Has this sort of cool sort of shelf style interface that you're pretty much going to use pretty much everything on the screen to interact with, since there isn't any capacitive or physical menu buttons to kind of go through. This is the main screen that you have here. On the top shelf here is sort of all your recently accessed content that you can kind of flow through like that. Really nice, way smooth. Right below that on these shelves are anything that you decided to make your favorite. So let's say, for example, I want to pin, let's go over here to the gallery, and I say I want to make that a favorite. Just add to favorite and add it just like that. And in the same way, that's how you kind of uninstall an application as well too. You can remove from favorites or remove from device after you've already kind of put it here in favorites, or if it's up here, you can also either add to favorites or remove from device if the application is removable. And it does work in landscape mode as well too, which I'll flip around, hit the power button there by accident, swipe it up in here, and you'll see I'll come up here in landscape mode, same type of flow and going through content, same way through here. And right here at the top you get a nice search bar. You can search for anything just by tapping on it there. You can start searching through your library, search through the web, and we'll hit cancel there. And then you have all the different accesses to different sections here, from newsstand, books, music, video, docs, apps, and the web. So newsstand is obviously any newspapers and magazines that you've downloaded, which will show up here. And you do have by order by title or by recent, and you also have this option in each one of these by cloud or by device. So anything that's in the cloud will show up on here as well. Or if you just want to see what's just on the device, you just see it there as well, just with the device. And you also go to the Amazon store to access more content. And then here at the bottom you have your home, back, menu, and search. So if you hit menu, you'll see different view options. We'll show you a little bit how that kind of works. Go into the books here. These are the books that I have, and if I want to search for books, I can. You just hit help. That brings up the on-screen keyboard like that. Go help. It's a pretty good thumb keyboard, I would have to say. Definitely give you my final thoughts in the full review. And if you hit menu here, you can change from grid view to list view like that, back to grid view like that as well. So it's pretty simple there to go through, and you can organize this the same way. We'll have to cancel the search you have by cloud, by device, author, such. And the same thing will go here into your music. Will connect to your Amazon cloud player, so if you have everything in the cloud, it'll show up within here. Anything on your device shows up in here as well too. Don't have anything on here just yet. Hit home, and video will open up the Prime Instant Video if you're a Prime member, and also movies and videos that you can purchase and have downloaded to your device as well too. Hit home and check out the docs. Pretty much support the most basic docs, Word docs, Excel, not Excel docs, Word docs. You have PDF, text, things like that, and they'll just open up like that. Test Word document. You can kind of swipe through. You can see it there. We'll head on back, and we'll open up the PDF here. This is an example PDF file that you can open up, and the way you get content to it, you can just email it right to that email address, where the doc's email address is. You can customize that email as well too to whatever you want it to be. Alright, we'll check out the applications here. These are the apps that have been installed. These are the ones that are on the device, and then here's the ones that are in the cloud, and you see the little icons of the cloud on it. If you click on it, it will now, you can pretty much install it that way if you want to, and you just go through right to the store and install it. Tap there, it'll start to download, and it'll show up there in the section as well too. Alright, open the applications again here. You have email as well. You can set up your email account within here as well too. You support Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, and other email clients as well. That's something originally we didn't see. It was really just going to do through webmail, but now they do have an email client down here for you to go through. Then you have the Amazon browser as well too, which we'll definitely do a little separate thing on the browser. It's the Amazon Silk browser, which takes advantage of not only the device but also access to a server to try and kind of offload some of the heavier portions of loading a web page on mobile devices. It's just a quick sort of walkthrough and sort of how it navigates. You do have up here at the top, if you tap here at the top here, notifications, and it says notification one right here. Successfully launched. I could tap to install. I can clear all, just like that, and also tapping right there on that little the little corner right there where the little settings sprocket is at. Sprocket Jetsons. You can pretty much unlock your device, volume, brightness, Wi-Fi, sync, and you do get more options. You can go right in here to the settings to kind of set the device the way you want to. But that's just a quick look. It's a real simple interface, simple UI to kind of go through here, and it really isn't much to it. It's going to be easy for a lot of people. It's probably the best skinned UI on an Android 2.3 Gingerbread based tablet that is out there. It's going to be really easy for a lot of people to pick this up and use it right away. So that's just a quick look at the Kindle UI on top of the Android OS, and I want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube page, follow us on Twitter, become a fan of our Facebook fan page. Also check out our main website at BWOne.com. The link to all of that and our social media is in the description. And always remember to live your tech world in high definition.